bitte wenden. Die heißt Burg Sooneck. 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 Sooneck, das heißt Sooneck, Doppel-O ist langes O ausgesprochen.
Small street, Daddy. Careful, Daddy.
Oh.
I think it's not allowed to car here.
Ich habe Angst. Andre is scared. I'm scared to die.
We are going to the Castle Sooneck. What's that noise?
Ja, komm her.
Essbar? Ungewaschen?
So, und Daddy hier parken und dann dürft ihr da.
So that's the view. Wow.
Oh.
Look at that.
Der andere Timeout.
Ja, Timeout, ja. Geht ihr da mal hoch, ein bisschen gucken.
Und andere frisst jetzt Marmelade. Das, was du essen wolltest.
So we're going to the board. It's there.
Au! Nicht fressen.
Andre is eating. So let's go a little bit
Da noch ein
hiking.
bisschen da gucken gerade.
Ein Auto in
Ja.
der Fall.
Ich bleib hier und guck mir das an. Ich hab
Oh,
das schon
Daddy,
gesehen.
stay here.
Ich hab das schon gesehen, die Burg.
Oh, that's nice inside, though. The church.
Ich glaube nicht, dass es die Burg ist, die dort gezeigt wird, sondern die Stadt.
Look at that. So Daddy and James waiting there.
Lazy.
That's the view. And today it's nice for a hike because it's not too hot and it's cool. Eh?
Not cool enough.
Yeah, that's good. It's not too cold. It's not too hot. Where is the Borg? Where is the castle? We're looking for the castle. The Peppa Pig castle or the Pinocchio castle.
That exists.
Borg Sooneck.
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 Da.
Ah, that's the. Here. Are you sure? Sign, so follow. Come, Andre.
I know it's gonna fall.
You can hear the birds singing.
And the dying squirrels.
Oh, that's nice. Can
And
you
the
hear
donut.
that? Can you hear that? What is that?
A boat.
No, the bird, no. It's
Birds.
not bird.
Zwitschervogel.
I'll take a video for Andre. Hi, Andre.
Hi.
What can you say about this hiking? Did you enjoy?
If it was interesting, yes.
Okay, so we'll see how it looks like that board. Is that so far? Oh, Daddy! Daddy, trick us. Trick. Where is it?
Da. Weil da kein Weg
So we're going to run. Come, Andre, go up.
ist. I'm running. I'm running so fast. I'm in front of you.
Andre's running. Oh.
I'm so fast. Yeah.
Careful. It's a little bit far.
We are now in Castle Sooneck. It's a beautiful castle. We can't go inside.
You can go picnic also here. There's a table.
Ich mach Sport. Ich hab
And that's the board.
Ich hab eine
That's the
Kniebeuge.
castle. I always say board. Castle. Sonic. In Germany we have lots of castles. No?
In this place there are too many castles.
Yeah, here, and you can see the view.
We already saw in this place 7 castles. Great.
Look at that. It's a nice view. And there is a.
Great station.
That's a. What's?
Digging station.
No. It's a
Mountain
wine farm.
A gin farm.
There's,
Wein heißt auf Englisch Gin.
That's
Das weiß ich dank Englischunterricht.
nine wine is.
Gin.
That's how do you call that one? Grapes farm.
Grape farm.
There you can see the one, and there's a boat. When we go back home, we ride there where the trains are. Look at that.
Yes.
Well, it's nice.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
And
gosh.
the sun is coming out. Look,
Really?
look in the video. The sun is coming out.
Is that the sun?
Yes.
Or is it just a bunch of
There
clouds?
is the sun hiding the clouds.
Behind.
Behind. That's a English accent.
Behind.
British accent. Behind.
Behind.
I'm behind.
I'm behind the clouds.
Oh, there's a propeller.
That's a plane. But not a big plane. It's a
Okay, so let's have.
halbe Stunde brauchen sind wir um Mitternacht zu Hause.
It's okay.
Oder am Hotel. Du,
So
Daddy
we
bezahlt das
are
Hotel noch nicht,
here
dass
on
wir...
the top. We are allowed to check in 3 o'clock. So it's too early. We've been there. And we're going inside here.
Also, wie viel Geld hast du denn dabei?
Nee. Muss man Eintritt bezahlen?
Weiß nicht.
Wir haben keine Maske, Vorsicht.
Da ist ja schon.
Ha?
Eintritt muss man bezahlen.
Oh, muss man bezahlen. Eintritt.
Klar, mach schnell ein Video, ein Foto, ohne dass jemand merkt, dass wir hier sind. Und dann haben wir.
Ah, this is a restaurant, I think. Oh, no, no,
Nein,
no.
das ist ein Hotel.
Hotel.
Ja. Wofür muss man eine
Hotel,
Kasse haben?
Restaurant. Muss man keine Eintritt. Das ist nur, wenn du im Restaurant isst und dann bezahlst du.
Erleben Sie beide Burgen mit Zombie-Ticket-Angebot. Ja, das kostet Geld.
Das ist nice.
Also jetzt habe ich auch Hunger.
Immer wenn du siehst Essen, dann bist du
Äxte.
hungrig.
Und Speere. Kriege ich eine Axt? Kriege ich eine Axt? Ich hatte noch ein Schwert gefragt, der da jetzt wieder. Hi.
Ah, you have to pay Eintrittskarte.
Sagte ich doch.
Entrance. Morgen. Because we don't have money for the entrance.
Yes, you can buy me an axe.
It's
I want to. Why do you want me to pay for everything? I can't pay for everything if you don't give me my credits back.
It's a restaurant.
Mann,
I think it's nice there on the other side. There is a garden.
die Blume ist
Look at
Mann.
But I like the flower in the entrance.
Ja, die Blume da
The
ist ein Mann.
pink one. Ne?
Ach, ob du mal ein Foto mit der
Fokus.
Blume hast.
I do it already. I did it already, honey.
Okay. Die Blume da ist ein Mann.
Look at look. They have garden over there. I think that's why you have to pay entrance because
So where's Minnie Mouse?
there is a mini garden.
Minnie Mouse needs to take care of the mini garden.
Okay, let's go.